Welcome to my channel, Smart Kiddos. My name is Pratiksha, and today I'm going to continue in the Python series, teaching Python for kids and beginners. Very, very simple. So, in my previous videos, I taught you how to use the print function. I taught you how to use many operators and variables in Python. I taught you how to use input and concatenation, and I also taught you if, elif, and else statement. If you haven't seen those videos, please check them out later. What are we going to learn today in this video? Well, we're going to use our knowledge in the previous videos to make two interactive calculators. So let's start. So here I'm in replit.com and I have signed in. I'm going to scroll down and create a REPL. I'm going to click Python as template, and I'm going to call this project Interactive Python Calculators. So I'm going to create REPL, and I'll get this screen. So let's start with today's lesson. So first I'm going to do a odd or even calculator. So to do this, we're going to use the operators that we have learned in the previous videos. So first I'm going to give this num variable input type a number. Once I've done that, I'm going to do this if statement. So first of all, how do we figure out odd or even numbers? Well, odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So we're going to use the modulus operator to find out if a number is odd or even because modulus operators give reminders. I'll show you how they're connected. So if num modulus, which is the percent sign, by 2 is equal to 0. So what does this mean? Well, if it's an even number, then 4 divided by 2, we don't get any reminders. So that means the number is even. So we're going to print number is even. But when we divide a odd number by 2, we get a reminder. So we don't have to type if again, we can just type else print number is odd. So when I run this, I'm going to type 4. Oh no, I get an error. Why is this? Well, it says not all arguments converted during string formatting. Well, that means there's a problem because input will think whatever we type here is a word or a string. So it thinks 4 is a string. So we're going to convert this into a integer by doing int input. So now when we run this, I'm going to type 4 and we get the expected result. Number is even. Now we're going to do a odd number 3. Number is odd. Perfect. So now we're going to make a basic calculator using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have learned how to use these operators in the previous videos, and we're going to do the same thing here, but add a few changes to make it interactive. So let me delete this. I will keep this variable and add a second variable, num2. 2 int input type second number. Okay, after this, we're going to do print num1 plus num2. So this is addition. Sorry, just num and num2. We're going to do print num multiply num2. So the multiplication operator is this star sign. We're going to do print num divided by num2. And we're going to do subtraction. So print num minus num2. So when we run this, I'm going to type the first number. I'm going to type the second number. And we get the results. Great, but this doesn't look that good because, well, we know what's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but let's make it more better. So I'm going to do addition result multiplication result division result and subtraction result. So when I run this, before we run, let me make this more neater. Okay, let's run it again. I'm going to type 3, enter. I'm going to type 4. And we get the expected result. Beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!